How to install network printer. A do-it-yourself guide for installing a network printer. Printer types. There are two types of printer. Printer on a local computer and printer on a network. What is a network printer? A network printer is a printer that is connected to a computer network and can be accessed from many different computers. This can come in handy if you have more than one computer in your home or business, but do not want to have a separate printer for every computer. To install a network printer, follow these steps. Position your new printer near your router. Plug the CAT5 cable that come with your printer into the network slot on the back of your printer. Plug the other end into the back of your router. Plug in the power of your printer and turn it on. Put paper in the printer tray. Find the display screen and use the buttons to find the options to print printers configurations. Most network printers have a menu button. From there, you can find the information screen and choose Printer Configurations. Wait as the printer prints out a page and set up a page aside for later. Turn on a computer and wait for the operating system to load. Find out the tool to add a new computer. If you are using Windows, this is located under the Start menu, Printer and Faxes, or Devices and Printers. Then select Add a printer. If you are using a Mac, click on the Apple menu, choose Printers, and then select Edit Printer List or Show Printer List, and then click on Add Printer. Follow the instructions on the wizard to add the printer. Choose Network Printer, and when prompted for a port, choose Standard TCP/IP port. If you are using a Mac, choose LPR printers using IP. Enter the IP address when prompted. You can find printer's IP address on the configuration sheet you printed. If the wizard asks for a port name, type IP underscore followed by the IP address. Continue following the instructions on the wizard. If you are asked for a network card type, choose Generic Network Card. Insert the CD that came with the printer when prompted to install your printer drivers on the computer. Type a name for your printer when prompted so you know what to look for when connecting to the network from other computers. When asked about sharing the printer, be sure to click the option to share it on the network. Complete the wizard by clicking Finish. If you are given the option to print a test page, do it to make sure your network printer is set up properly. Repeat these steps to connect to your network printer from any other computer that you want to use on your network. This is how you can set up a network printer. Thank you.